Hi guys, it's Mrs. Warner from Southview Elementary. Today for your phonics and word study, you're going to be playing a game called Lotto, or similar to bingo. So your teacher may give you bingo boards and bingo cards to be playing, and you're going to draw a card, read the word, you're going to match the ending, okay? So you have to look at the ending part of the words, either the last 3 letters or the last 2 letters, and match up the words just by the ending. You're going to cover the word with bingo chips, or I'm going to include the link here, and it's going to be on your landing page, and you can play it on your own computer at home or at school during your word work time. This time you're going to draw a card, and it's blue on the screen up there. You're going to read the word, find the matching ending for a word on the purple board. Put the card down below when you're done with it, and then move an X over on top of the word that it matches. Remember, you're matching just the ending, and you're going to keep going till you have your board all covered. Have fun. Good luck.